Hi, I'm Aryan Desai, and I studied in COEPians Academy from 2018 to 2020, and I think it was a great place. It was fun yet challenging, and the teachers and the faculty were able to combine the fun aspects of science while also making it challenging and competitive enough. Uh, we did many fun activities like went on treks and stuff like that. But while the fun was also going on in class, the training was pretty rigorous. They provided classes and courses for JEE, BITSAT, NEET, things like that. So it was not only fun but also not only pure studies. So it was a very good environment for me to study and thrive in. And to support it, the faculty was amazing. They were extremely supportive, and they would help the students personally if the need arose. In my case, I was extremely weak in maths, and my 12th boards could have been pretty disastrous if it wasn't for the faculty that helped me and supported me. And this is possible because of the limited class, a smaller class size. And because of that, one-to-one attention is possible when a student needs help in a specific subject or a specific chapter or anything in general. And it's not only limited to studies. There are many guest lectures from different professionals in the industry that are conducted, that also helps things for us as students to take things in perspective, helps us prepare better for exams. And it's a great place. I would recommend any parent and any student to consider and check it out. Thank you.